We've all been aware that vinegar is not only a delicious chip flavouring, but also a brilliant all-purpose cleaner in the home. But did you know that it also has many uses in the garden? The best thing about it is that it's cheap and useful for so many things. Here are a few ways vinegar can help make your garden beautiful. 1. Kill weeds. You can kill weeds by spraying straight vinegar onto them, being careful not to spray onto plants you want to keep. This is a great option if you prefer not to use commercial poisons in your yard, especially if you have pets or kids using the garden. 2. Keep animals at bay. There is no passionate gardener who doesn't get frustrated by the neighbourhood cats or possums digging in their soil and doing their business among the plants. By soaking a few old cloths in vinegar and hanging them in low places around your garden, animals will be deterred naturally and without risk or cruelty. 3. Keep your tools, spick and span. Vinegar, specifically white vinegar, is acidic and can help dissolve rust and prevent its formation. By soaking your gardening tools in vinegar for a few minutes, you allow the acid to break down any rust that may have started to develop. After soaking, rinsing off the tools with water removes the vinegar and any loosened rust particles. This simple practice can help prolong the life of your gardening tools, keeping them in good condition for longer and saving you money on replacements. It's a quick and easy step to incorporate into your gardening routine that can make a big difference in maintaining your equipment. 4. Help plants to bloom. Some plants, such as blueberries and azaleas, thrive in an acidic soil environment. Add 1 cup of vinegar to around 4 litres of water and add it to the soil of these plants. 5. Get rid of ants. Ants are a frustrating pest to battle. Mix together equal parts vinegar and water and spray at the entrance of their nest and on the paths and surfaces you find them on. 6. Get your seeds growing. The night before planting, soak your seeds in a solution of 500 millilitres of water and 125 millilitres of vinegar to help them germinate better. The solution's ratio of 500 millilitre water to 125 millilitre vinegar indicates a dilution where the acidity of the vinegar isn't too strong to harm the seeds, but sufficient to assist in the germination process. It's important not to use too much vinegar, as excessive acidity could damage the seeds. 7. Repel insects. Insects can cause an enormous amount of damage to your garden, and vinegar can help here too. Spray it around the edges of your garden beds to repel them. Some insects, like ants, use scent trails to navigate to food sources. Vinegar can disrupt these trails, making it harder for insects to find their way into your garden. Unlike chemical insecticides, vinegar is natural and non-toxic to humans, pets, and beneficial insects like bees and ladybugs. It's an environmentally friendly option for pest control. 8. No more mould. Fungus and mould can be disastrous for our plants, but some are prone to it. Brew some chamomile tea, then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to it. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and spray onto any affected plants, and repeat until the fungus is gone. The easiest way to support our work is by liking the video, clicking the follow button, and then the bell to confirm. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you.